In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts from LinkedIn to Attio. By the end, you'll be able to capture a person's details from their LinkedIn profile and confirm that the new record is safely stored in your Attio workspace, all without tedious copy and paste. First, open LinkedIn and sign in so you're viewing your feed, or better yet, the specific profile of the person you want to add. For this workflow, you'll be using the Attio CRM extension. When it's installed and you're on LinkedIn, you should see the extension's icon in your browser toolbar. The extension makes it simple to create a person record directly from the profile you're looking at by pulling the key details you need and preparing them for Attio. A quick tip here: you'll get the cleanest results if you open the person's full LinkedIn profile rather than just a hover card or a search preview. With the profile open, click the Attio CRM extension. Choose Add Person and then type in the person's name and email address. LinkedIn often doesn't expose an email, so this is your chance to add it manually if you have permission and the correct address. The extension helps you avoid mistakes by letting you review what you're about to save before anything is created. Take a moment to double-check spelling, the current job title, company, and the LinkedIn URL if it's being captured. If your team uses conventions like work emails at a company domain, enter the accurate address you already know rather than guessing. If the person already exists in your workspace, Attio will flag potential duplicates so you don't create a second record by accident. When everything looks right, confirm to add the person. Once you've added the contact, head over to Attio and log into your account. In the sidebar, click People to view your directory. Use Search to find the person you just added, or sort by recently created to bring them to the top. Open their record to verify that the name, email, and any other captured fields have come through correctly. This is also a good moment to tidy up small details, like adjusting a job title, adding a LinkedIn link if needed, or jotting a brief note about how you know the contact. When you're satisfied, you're done. Your LinkedIn contact is now part of your Attio database and ready for your team to work with. That's the entire process. Sign into LinkedIn, add the person using the Attio extension, then confirm in Attio's People view. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.